In the mystical realm of the Pacific Northwest, where the towering cedars whispered ancient secrets and the misty rivers flowed with the echoes of the past, the tribes of the region held a deep connection with the spirit world. Among them, the Salish people were renowned for their reverence of totem poles, each one telling a story of their ancestors, their legends, and their relationship with the natural world. One such totem, the Thunderbird, was the embodiment of power and awe. The Thunderbird was a symbol of the sky itself, the bringer of storms, and a guardian of the people, who believed that its powerful call could influence the weather, protect them from harm, and guide them through their lives. But the Thunderbird was not just a symbol. It was a living entity, a spirit that could manifest in the world of the living. The Salish people believed that the Thunderbird lived high in the mountains, in a hidden cavern, where it slept most of the year, only to awaken when the salmon run was at its peak. Waking from its slumber, the Thunderbird flew across the skies, its wings creating storm clouds as it went. The people watched in awe as the skies turned dark and the winds howled, knowing that the Thunderbird had come to help them. But the Thunderbird was not done. For 3 days, the people were visited by the spirits of their ancestors, guiding them in the planting of new crops, teaching them how to conserve water, and showing them the ways to live in harmony with the land. The Salish people learned valuable lessons that day. They learned that the Thunderbird was not just a symbol of power, but a spirit that cared for them. They learned that the natural world was not something to be dominated, but a delicate balance to be respected and nurtured. And they learned that even in the darkest times, hope could be found in the most unexpected places. The Thunderbird, having fulfilled its duty, returned to its mountain cavern, to sleep once again until the next time the people needed its help. The Salish people built a grand totem, intricately carved with the image of the Thunderbird, as a reminder of the powerful spirit that had saved them. And so, the story of the Thunderbird and the Salish people became a legend, a testament to the bond between humanity and the natural world. A bond that, if maintained, could ensure the survival of both. For in the end, it is not just the power of the Thunderbird that saved the Salish people, but the power of their belief, their resilience, and their respect for the land.